Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by working on a copy. That prevents new corruption. First, inspect the copied file's header with a hex viewer so you know the file type, because many repairs hinge on correct headers. Next, run a trusted recovery program and target the duplicate only, making sure to save output to a different drive. Once the tool runs, scan logs for detected fragments and export results. These steps set a safe baseline and reveal whether header repair or data carving is required. Once you have fragments, focus on reconstructing contiguous data. That's where carving helps. You will try header repair by replacing or correcting the initial bytes to match a valid JPEG, PNG, or TIFF header, because many viewers refuse to open files without that. Then use software that stitches fragments by sequence or similarity, and correct color profiles and exif so tones and orientation read correctly. As you work, preview incremental results to avoid overriding better versions, and retain backups. You finalize by exporting the repaired image to a lossless format to preserve quality, then make any final crops and color adjustments to match references. Make sure to keep version copies so you can revert if you introduce artifacts. If the file still shows glitches, try alternate tools or run the repair on a different operating system. Differing file system drivers and utilities sometimes succeed where others fail. If all else fails, consider a professional restoration service. Explain steps you've taken to save time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.